One flew over the cuckoo's nest.
Oh, cuckoo.
Cuckoos.
Cuckoo.
Cuckoos. Oh, yeah, I didn't even see that. What do I think there's a H there for?
Oh, that is cute! Yeah, but I was going to do stars and she stole my idea.
Oh, you got a lot of insides left in there.
Yeah, I know.
I wouldn't like to say you've done a very good job.
Right, guys.
Here are our pumpkins. Well, if you haven't guessed, we're carving pumpkins, basically.
Yeah, Halloweeny.
I'm just drying them off because I just washed them. They're covered in shit.
They were covered in mud. You will have probably by now seen our pumpkin picking vlog.
Yeah.
And you saw us pick these beauties.
These beauties.
And we're going to carve them, basically.
This is the third video from today and we're going a bit mad.
We're going a bit mad, yeah. We're on it today.
Yeah.
And you guys can decide which ones you prefer. I don't know. I think I might do the boo.
Yeah, I'm going to do the stars.
Because I don't know if I want to do a face or not.
No. I just found, I mean, we're doing simple designs, let's say.
Yeah, simple designs.
We are not professional pumpkin carvers, to be honest.
If you've come here for a tutorial on how to carve a pumpkin,
you've come to the wrong place.
You've come to the wrong place, but that's not us.
Yeah, you can vote down below.
You can vote down below who you prefer. Because what we'll do at the end, we'll turn the lights off and put some tea lights. Lovely.
So we can do that and we can see what we think.
So
we need to cut the top off first.
Oh yeah, we need to scoop.
So we've got some knives and some bowls to put all the goo in.
Yeah, all the goo.
Knife. Wish us luck, and then neither of us end up in hospital this evening.
Let's hope not.
Oh god.
Hello?
No.
I can see the reflection of bloody... Oh my god. Can there not be a better time to do this?
No, darling.
We're not doing very complex designs.
Yeah,
though,
do
don't
not worry.
They're basic bitch ones.
I wanted a Gordon Ramsay portrait.
Oh yeah, that's what Ellis asked for.
It's just not gonna happen.
I'm in!
She's in. She's in for the kill. Punch it out.
Scoopy McDoopy.
Oh, she's getting there.
No.
It happens.
Wow.
Look, I cut it so you get it out from the limbs, you know.
Oh, you're a clever one,
I
aren't you?
know, I'm bloody expert pumpkin carver me. Done this before.
Maybe we could get Ellis to read out the Halloweeny questions.
Yeah, Ellis. We've got some questions you might need to ask us.
What questions?
Like Halloween related questions when we're actually carving them properly. I'm a savage.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep that in?
Yeah, I'm keeping that in. I'm gonna Maggie right off.
See, who decided to do this? Who was the first person who was like, I'm going to carve a pumpkin? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, what
Imagine picking a
weird idea.
vegetable and hollowing out the middle and being like, oh yeah, I'm going to...
That is a weird idea, isn't it?
it?
That's true, actually. Hey Siri, who was the first person decided to carve a pumpkin?
I don't think he's going to know.
Okay, I found this on the web for what is the
Oh,
first
Jack-o'-lantern.
person decided to carve a pumpkin. Check it out.
Jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah, but that's what they're called, isn't it?
But that's like isn't that like a famous story? So maybe, I don't know if that was maybe Jack. Did Jack decide to do it? I don't know.
Maybe. Right.
You got way too excited.
Nearly just
there.
slipped. Right, I need to decide what side. Just going to do stars, basically.
Lovely.
I always forget you need this bit. I'm going to throw that away.
Oh my god, of course you do.
The
Where's
little
mine?
hat.
I can't believe you stole my idea.
Well, you showed it to me. You didn't say I'm doing this.
Did it
Right,
wrong.
here's my design, everyone. Don't know if you can see that, but it's basically some stars.
I don't want to do it too close to each other because then I always end up making a mistake and then...
Exactly. I'm going in. My first cut.
Right.
I've written boob. If I do boob, it's gonna
carve boo out.
It's gonna freaking spell boob, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe I should just do one big boo.
What about what?
What? And how do you spell that?
Okay. First star. Look at that! I'm very pleased with myself, actually.
Aww, that's really cute. Mine's gonna be rubbish. Because I've decided to go really complex and do a curve.
You're writing boob on it.
Yeah, I'm writing boob. Boob! That'll scare people off.
Right.
Whoa, damn, man. Yeah.
Round 1, Halloween TV quiz.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Which science fiction horror series from Netflix is set in the fictional town of Hawkins?
Stranger Things.
Aww.
Correct.
You have to have a buzzer, you have to say boo.
Okay.
You have to say star and I have to say boo.
Okay.
Machen Amick plays Shelley Briggs in David Lynch's cult TV series Twin Peaks. But which era Netflix drama does she star in currently?
Pass.
Riverdale.
I wouldn't have got that.
In the Friends episode, the one with the Halloween party, what memorable but not particularly spooky costumes did Ross and Chandler wear?
I actually don't know. I don't watch Friends.
I think Ross wore a. Didn't he wear wasn't he like Sputnik or something?
Correct.
And
Wow.
Chandler was a bunny.
Correct.
My God, what the hell?
Oh, yeah.
I've literally never watched Friends.
I used to watch it when I was younger. I used to watch E4 all the time.
Wow.
The 31st of October back in 1992, the BBC petrified the nation with Ghost Watch, a scripted drama that duped viewers into believing it was live transmission from a haunted house. Which trusted TV veteran presented it?
I've forgotten.
Stephen Mulhern.
Incorrect.
Stephen
Veteran team. Stephen Mull.
Was it Stephen Mulhern?
No. Charlotte?
I don't know. I've forgotten.
Make a guess.
Yeah, but it's like a really old-fashioned one, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why I said Stephen Mulhern.
What, do you know who it is? Do you know?
Yeah, I've got the answers here, so yeah.
No,
Yeah, but do
no,
you know-
I mean,
do you
Yeah, I
know-
know who he is, yeah.
Oh, he.
Oh,
Interesting.
shit, yeah.
I don't know. David Attenborough.
Michael Parkinson.
Oh, I don't know who that is.
Isn't he from
He does like all the interviews and that.
Yeah.
What interviews?
Just
Anyway.
He just does them all. All the interviews.
All the interviews. Mama B!
Ryan Murphy's
Oh,
unsettling Netflix series, Ratch, starring Sarah Paulson, is inspired by which classic 1962 novel?
Oh, is that weird series that
Oh, yeah! Oh!
I don't know what it's inspired by, to be fair, but
Yeah,
I've seen
my
that.
client told me this the other day.
What it's inspired by?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you should know.
Oh, is it
then.
like something like... Is it like a bird or something?
Yeah,
Is it like
you're on the right lines.
Wow.
It's not a mockingbird or something, is it?
No.
I actually don't know, but...
Maybe you
she
should
told-
listen to your clients.
For God's sake.
One flew over the cuckoo's nest.
Cuckoo.
Cuckoos.
Cuckoo.
Cuckoos. Oh, yeah, I didn't even see that. What do I think there's a H there for?
That good old bird, the cuckoo.
The chicken.
One flew over the cuckoo's nest.
So that's round 1 over.
One each.
Don't know who even won that one.
Tricky
Round
one.
2 is Halloween film quiz.
Okay.
Okay,
This might be better, yeah.
In Hocus Pocus,
Yeah.
Haven't seen it.
what are the names of the 3 Sanderson sisters and the actresses who play them?
Wow, that is complex. I know Bette Midler is I can't remember the name of the witches, but Bette Midler, Sarah Jessica Parker, and I don't know who the other actress is. And I can't remember what their
Very
names are.
useful, is it really?
Yeah, it's better than Izzy's done. I should get a half point for that.
Yeah.
Wow, thanks for agreeing.
Well,
That's really
I
kind.
am really useless, to be honest.
Betty Midler as Winifred.
Yeah. Winfred, yeah.
Sarah Jessica Parker as Sarah.
Seriously, get your bin bag on the table.
Wait! Oh.
So have you done some eyes then, Charlotte?
Pardon?
Have you done 2 eyes and a smiley face?
2 eyes?
You done 2 eyes there, haven't you? 2 big eyes.
It's meant to be a B.
Let me see.
Why do you not cut
Quite good, to be fair.
It didn't. The indent of the B didn't go in very well.
Oh.
Well, he's harsh, isn't he?
Yeah, he's freaking harsh over here. You done?
Got one more.
Oh, that is cute. Yeah, but I was going to do stars and she stole my idea. So I think of something else.
What can I say? Anyway, next question.
Which other scary 19s film did Scream's Neve Campbell and Skeet Ulrich star in?
God. 90s. Nightmare on Elm Street.
Incorrect.
Oh, I didn't get to make a guess.
Oh, yeah,
Halloween.
you're allowed to make one now.
Incorrect.
Jeepers Creepers.
Incorrect.
Don't know.
The Craft.
Oh,
Never
what the
heard
hell's
of
that?
In which 1982 horror film did Carol Ann start talking to the television set?
Paranormal, no. Poltergeist.
Correct.
Wow, well
I
done.
just cut through my other O.
Things in
Bugger.
your hand. That's better than that.
Yeah.
In the film adaptation of Roald Dahl's The Witches, Angelica Hudson's great grand high witch plans to turn children into what?
Mice.
Correct.
I'll give you that one, I'll give you that one.
Round 3, Halloween literature quiz.
Oh,
God.
Goosebumps series of books has spooked readers since its release back in 1992. Name the author who created them.
Oh,
Goosebumps.
I used to read them.
Did you?
God knows who wrote them. Jacqueline Wilson.
I don't know. Sophie Kinsella.
Can't even impressed. I'm jokes.
Embarrassing.
Who was it?
R.L. Stein.
Oh yeah, no one.
Oh yeah, know him.
No clue.
What is the name of the youngest? Sure. What is that word?
This is more of a quiz for you, Alice.
Fucking hell. We'll skip that one. Too many long words. There we go. In Harry Potter, how do Harry, Ron, and Hermione usually mark the 31st of October at Hogwarts?
Go pumpkin picking. Turn pumpkins into wizards.
No.
No. No idea actually.
They do something with
Big
pumpkins.
Harry Potter fan.
Not a big Harry Potter fan. I don't know.
With a Halloween feast in the Great
Oh.
Hall at Hogwarts, School of Witchcraft and Wizardry.
Yeah, thank you. We guessed that.
Oh, they don't do something with pumpkins then.
No.
What supernatural power does Carrie possess in Stephen King's blood-soaked novel
Oh, yeah.
of the same title?
I actually don't
Harry.
know that. Haven't they remade that film
Yeah,
recently as
they-
well? I haven't even seen it.
I haven't seen it either. Maybe we should watch it.
Yeah.
Or not.
Float.
That's not...
Like fly?
No, you
Like
were more close
levitate.
with no, you were more close with floating.
Float. Boat. Goat.
She can goat.
In what way? In the sense of the levitation?
Yeah, but it's not her.
She can lift people off the ground. She can float people off the ground.
Well, why are you being
think
so
there's enough
specific with
guessing now.
people for? She can move objects with her psychic ability.
Wow.
So-
Go on, Carrie, go.
That's the end of the quiz.
That's the
Aw.
end.
Yeah.
Who won?
Charlotte.
Thanks.
So guys, I think I'm finished.
I think I'm almost finished as well.
Wow.
What was that noise?
What are the
Where are
falling
these
up?
going? Where's
Huh?
that pumpkin going?
It's going outside, so loads of trick-or-treats come round.
It won't be.
Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad,
So.
Can't wait to light these up.
Yeah, me too.
We're gonna
Can't wait to light these up.
set them on fire.
Carving inside for a sec.
I can't wait to show you guys with the tea lights in.
Yeah, it's gonna look so cute, isn't it? Right, Queen.
Show the camera.
You can't really see it, to be honest.
No, you'll be able to.
Is that a knock at the door?
I don't know. They're not recording themselves. Covered pumpkins, I swear.
I'm
You've got a lot of insides left in there.
Yeah, I
I
know.
wouldn't like to say you've done a very good job.
It's
It is a competition, so.
Yeah, but I can't really because I'm not really using my hands as much as you were. Oh, shit. I just dropped the freaking lid in there on the freaking counter.
Phone. Why is your phone on
Because I
there?
was going to ask the questions, but then Alice came in. Wow! Can you do mine? Are you doing it through?
Yeah.
Let me just.
Oh, this bit is. Oh, he's flimsy.
I know.
He's
I know.
really flimsy.
He's really flimsy. Isn't he? Don't sabotage me and break it.
Look at mine, beautifully burned.
Oh, shut up! The freaking wick is going to be all wet.
He's got a wet wick.
He's got a wet wick.
Yeah, look, that's it. It doesn't stay in.
Why?
You've obviously cut it in a way that it just keeps falling through. You're going to have to put it on like a wonk, like that.
That's alright, we like a wonk.
Okay, guys, here are pumpkins.
Here are
Can't see them very
pumpkins.
well, so we're going to show you in the dark.
We're going to turn the lights off.
And then you can vote down below who done the best.
Yes. Please.
Like I said, we're actually getting mad at this point, so
Ready for dinner.
yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, we
nice
hope it
and
was
festive.
a fun one to watch.
Exactly. Yeah, it was fun to
With a little
film.
quiz as well.
Yeah,
We
exactly.
did a bit bad.
Thanks to Ellis for that, by the
Yeah.
way.
Thanks to Alice for that.
Thanks to Ellis. But yeah, we hope you enjoyed our video. Please make sure you subscribe to the
Why am I
channel.
like sitting here like this?
I know you like.
I look like an actual
You
bitch.
haven't even turned yours around to show everyone.
It's because I want the piece of resistance to be in the next clip. I literally look like I'm like a witch with my
Yeah, you do, like-
cauldron. Anyway.
Your potion.
Yeah, please subscribe
Please subscribe,
and like and comment.
and we'll see you in our next video
For
very soon.
Some more fun content.
Some more fun content. So yeah.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a few days.
Bye.
Bye.